Welcome back to my channel. Today's video we have an unboxing. Chanel. My Chanel holiday gift set did get delivered. Let's go ahead and open it up together. Let's see if it came with the holiday charms. I've been seeing everybody get their holiday charms online, so I'm really excited. So let's go ahead and open it up together. Also, make sure you guys are joined in my Telegram group chat. That is where I post coupon codes, all deals, anything that's on sale. All the good stuff. I will link it down below. All you do is join and you guys will get notifications to your phone. These came available. I posted it immediately so you guys were able to snag it before it sold out. 2 of them are currently sold out, but they just launched on Nordstrom's today. I will have all of them linked down below. There is a lot of gift sets still in stock right now, so definitely run before they are sold out. Let's go ahead and open it up. This is how it got delivered. It has this white packaging on the outside, and it's white and it says Chanel on it. Maybe I'll use this to put around my tree. I'm gonna be making a little designer tree, so let me know if you guys want a video on that. Here we go. The beautiful gold packaging. Oh, so beautiful. Let's open up our free goodies first. Maybe our charm is in there. Okay, no charm, but I did get the 2 samples. The 2 samples that I wanted. All right, here is the Chanel holiday gift set. I did the Moisture to Go set, which comes with the La Creme Mane and the Rouge Cocoa Balm. I went with this one because I still have the lip glosses from last year. I still have a lot of the same products from last year, but I did run out of the balm and the hand cream. I actually was using it every single day, so I ran out of both of them. I really like the balm and I love the hand cream. Makes your hands so soft, smells so good. So I really wanted a product that I'd use every single day where, you know, I still have the lip glosses and stuff. Here it is. Wow, it's actually a lot nicer in person than I imagined. It also seems a little bit bigger than last year. I will say the fur on it is really nice. I don't know why. I thought it was gonna be a rougher material. Let me zoom in so you guys can see more. This is what it looks like. Then it comes with the snowflake charm right here. That is really pretty. I kind of want to take that charm off and make a necklace out of it. Wouldn't that be so cool if I took this off and made a necklace? So let's go ahead and open this up. I did see a few people selling the charms, the one that I did not get, on eBay. I will link it down below if you guys want to buy some of the charms. Here is La Creme Mane. I love that it comes in boxes. One year, none of them came in boxes. So if you wanted to buy the gift set yourself and keep the bag, but then use the 2 products inside for a present, you can. Here is the hand cream. I love this hand cream. It smells so good, and I love the little egg shape. I just keep it in my purse. So I definitely needed a restock on that. Then it came with the Rouge Cocoa Balm right here. Again, in the package, which I love. I want to gift it to 2 separate people. You know what I mean? You could buy the entire gift set, you know, give this to someone for Christmas, give this one to someone for Christmas, keep the bag yourself, or, you know, give it all to them. But yeah, these are the 2 products that this one came with. And I believe this one on the top of my head was $128. I will put it down below how much it actually was if I'm incorrect, but I'm pretty positive it was $128. It's very pretty, I will say. I know a lot of people are upset because it says Chanel Beauty now. What do you guys think of the Chanel Beauty? I did get a lot of messages. Some people weren't happy about it because then they can't, you know, wear it as a crossbody bag. But I still think you can wear it as a crossbody bag. It's a very beautiful bag. But what do you guys think about it? Also, I'm obsessed with this charm. If I can't get the little keychain charm that they're giving out, I think I'm just gonna take it off my bag and make a necklace out of it. It's really, really beautiful. So this came with the bag and the 2 products. I personally love anything Chanel. Chanel is just one of my favorite brands. I love the holiday gift sets. Out of all the gift sets, I will say this one is probably my favorite just because of the hand cream. I use this every single day. It's one of my favorites. And I love the balm. It's so moisturizing, makes your lips so good. But yeah, that is all I got this year. I'm in shock. That's all I got. If you guys are new here, you guys know I normally buy like 4 gift sets. I only got 1 this year. I'm so proud of myself, but mainly because I had a lot of the products still from last year that I didn't use up, so I didn't want to buy it again. I did actually want to buy something that, you know, I don't have the product anymore, like the hand and the balm, so that's why I did this one. But did you guys pick up any this year? If you guys did, let me know down below. I'm curious which ones did you guys get. Also, did you guys get the keychain in the mail when it was delivered? But that is everything I got from Chanel. I am still on the hunt for the keychains. I am gonna go to my mall and see if I can get some of those keychains. I really wanna make a necklace out of it. I am not spending $350 to get it though, so I'm trying to find a boutique that will just let me, you know, buy a lip gloss and get the keychain. So that is my goal. But yeah, let me know if you guys got the keychain, and let me know if you guys got it in the mail, like if you ordered online. But yeah, that is everything I got from Chanel. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are not already, please don't forget to subscribe before you go. I will see you all in my next video.